Well, good morning, guys. Trader Joe. 6:29 here, West Coast, Pacific time, and 6:30. Ding, ding, ding. Markets are open. Last night I did take a long here on Nikkei. You can see we got this nice bottoming pattern, similar to the trade setup that I showed you guys yesterday. This one I did go for a little bit lower entry to kind of just really get into letting the market dig into these wicks and this body. So yeah, I had my entry right here at 41,215. Closed it right before the news at 3:05. We had some 5:30 news. I believe it was retail sales, core retail sales, that kind of good stuff. And it came out positive, which that really doesn't mean anything to me, to tell you the truth. I just look at what the market tells me. And what I was looking at over here on ES was on this 15-minute chart, we had this low off of this high, and we basically erased this entire pullback off of that low, had a shallower pullback, put in a higher high. We had a higher low, bounced into this overnight consolidation, which dumped, but then again put in a higher low, and then it was consolidating right here before the news. So you had a lot of attention around this zone at about 95. So yeah, so I put my buy stop with 5 points of risk on 2 lots. And the market on the initial news did dump and put in a higher low, and then triggered me in. You can see it did kind of chop around here before open, but we are now pushing up. I mean, up and to the right. That's what I'm seeing here. So I got my first take profit at 10 points, and I'm trading at $100 a point with 2 lots. So we're 60% of the way there. But yeah, not taking very many trades with this funded account. Only looking for the best setups, and this breakout with this build up on this higher time frame and this clear level as a target for the market to want to break out from looked like a really good trade. The plan with this trade will be, if we make this 10-point target, we'll bring the other stop up to break even. I think just go for 20 points on the second lot. I don't know. I haven't decided 100% here. I did think about taking that off at 8 points, which would have just looked like it would have just wicked it. But whatever. It's the market open, so we're going to have a lot of back and forth before we really move. And these are 15-minute candles, so yeah, you see these nice swings, but you don't see all the back and forth in between in those. So yeah, gonna keep this video pretty short, but like I said, we will definitely take half off at 10 points for another 500 for the day locked in, and just free roll the rest up to some unknown target. So yeah, I mean, this is looking good. Up 7, 8. Might even make this target before I stop this video. 9 points almost there. It was like 8, 8 and a quarter. Yeah. 8 1/4. Looking for 57. 0350, and we're at 57.0250. So one more point. One more point, 2 more points, something like that. Don't want to be a dick for a tick. Now we've pulled back a couple points here off of that target that I had. Let's see, did I miss anything? I mean, we did have some wicks right here to the downside in this area. Yeah, off of this doji we had a lower wick that may have had some effect, but I would say that that's just temporary. I think I'm still sticking to the plan. With how much this has ran though, I would actually think I could already reduce some of this risk, to tell you the truth. I could probably pull it up to 90 3/4 just to take some of that off. Yeah, because we had this run up, this pullback, and now this run up. So just using market structure for my risk. So $600 risk, we're up 600 currently. Really not much else to share with you guys here. Other than the strategy's obviously going well, so trading around the even number. I hate to drop it down to a lower time frame and micromanage, but target one is still looking totally achievable, so everything is sloping up, moving average sloping up, market structure putting in higher highs and higher lows, so let's just wait and see if we get target one. I mean, we've been long since back here. We rode out this kind of little pump, this dump, now this rally.
Order filled.
Looks like we're getting target one there, so target two goes to break even. We'll do break even plus a tick just for commissions, and we'll let it ride. So that's a successful trade. Total profit about $1,000, maybe 900. But then we got this running profit of 500. So yeah, we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Trader Joe out.